Look at the pool. The pool is insane, y'all. Like, it goes on. It looks like it goes on forever. The freaking time is in the mirror. The freaking time is in the mirror, bro. We're at 1,000 subscribers. Like, this is perfect for our 1,000 subscribe count. We just got to the hotel and now I'm about to go check in. I can't like move and talk all at once because like my hands are full. So I just want to let you guys know that we made it to the hotel and we're about to go check in and get into our room, and from there we could talk a little bit and stuff. But my camera is about to die and the line at the check-in desk is pretty long, so that's where we're about to head to now. But we have made it safely and it's lit, y'all. We in Florida. All right, y'all, I'm about to go check in and I'll get back to you guys when we get up to the room. Y'all, we made it to the hotel and he said he put me in the best room in the corner, so we're gonna see if it's really the best room and we're gonna see if it's really in the corner. Hey, he really put me in the cut. We got keys. Hello, we're gonna take the key out and it should be good. So let me show you guys the room where we're gonna be staying. So we're at the Hyatt. We're starting here. You know I'm always gonna give you the breakdown of the room. We need it. So make sure nobody's hiding in the closet. Yes, y'all, like that's it right there. We got the little safe. I don't got no money, so we just gonna close that. And we just gonna close that. Okay. And then as you ascend deeper into the room, we got my stuff right here. We got a nice mirror, okay? The mirror reflects back into the bathroom. Beautiful. We're gonna get to the bathroom. Just chill, y'all. We got the mirror. This is what I wore today, y'all. So this is what I wanted to show y'all. So this is what I wore. And I had this cute little red little button up, right? And I just threw it over this and I said, okay, I ate that one. Ugh. Cute. The mirror is popping, y'all. Just the rest of the room. That's my bags and stuff on the bed. Don't worry about that. It's so nice and big. I haven't turned the lights on, but y'all, they even got a window on this back side back here. He said it was the king corner. He did me right for sure. This is definitely the king corner. Feeling like a queen. He said he hooked me up because he knew that it was the realest in here. That he said that. He said he hooked me up because he know. He said he gonna see me when I get big. And I said, you already know that. I'm already big though, so you wildin'. So next we got the bathroom. The bathroom is fire, y'all. I need this bathroom in my house. Y'all, look at that. It even has the freaking time is in the mirror. The freaking time is in the mirror, bro. This is not even just for me, y'all. Like, this is, like I said, this is our trip. But like, we got the best room on the block. Like look. The block not with us at all. The block don't got nothing on us, y'all. So it's just like, all right, cool. And I'm truly loving it, y'all. I love my outfit today and I love the vibes. Like, everybody here is cool. I met the person who's gonna be styling my hair. I just met him when I was walking into the hotel. I was trying to record a video for the vlog and we like met eyes and I was like, wait, that's the guy I've been researching online. He brought me out here, y'all. So shout out to him and we had a nice talk. It's been cool, y'all. It's been cool. And I want to give you a little update. Like, we're off the plane, we're out of the streets, and we're in the freaking crib. And Orlando. Yeah, I've never been to Orlando before, so this is my first time. Let me know if you've been to Orlando before or is this your first time too. Like, I hope we're making first experiences together. I hope that's the vibe. Like, we locked in or nah? Okay. I didn't even finish showing y'all. Look. The mirror on the mirror wrapped around the whole goddamn thing. And then they even got another mirror if you're feeling cutesy, like, hey, y'all. But, y'all, then we got the bathroom on the back end. Bathroom on the back end, real cute. And honestly, it's very nice. It's a very nice hotel, y'all. It's currently, oh, hold on, I forgot. The mirror has the time. It's 9:33, right? So I'm probably just gonna chill in here for the rest of the night, vibe out, watch TV, and get this jet lag off, because I'm definitely jet lagged, y'all. Like, I was asleep on the plane, y'all. I woke up and I was drooling. I said, oh my God, no, that's embarrassing. Like, I hope the person sitting next to me didn't look, but I know the person next to me looked. Everybody who passed by, because I be doing the same thing. I know they was like, damn, she drooling like a mother. I'm like, bro, I was knocked out. I was knocked out, but I had a good flight, and now we're here, fit check. And I gotta charge my camera because it's about to die. But yeah, that's a little update, y'all. That is the room we're in. We are in the king suite for all of my kings and queens. We are the kings and queens. That's why we're in here. And we're at 1,000 subscribers. Like, this is perfect for our 1,000 subscribe count, okay? Because this is exactly what we needed. 1,000 subscribers, and we're lit. Stay tuned, y'all. Like, we're on a whole vacation right now, essentially. So I hope you guys enjoy, and we'll be back in a few. I'll probably give you guys another update before I take it in for the night. So that's all I have for right now, okay? I'll talk to you guys in a few. Hey, y'all, we're back, and I'm settled in now. Hope y'all settled in as well. But I gotta take a shower, but I'm trying to order some food because I'm hungry. Like, I'm hungry. And where I'm from, you're not getting food past 10 o'clock unless you want like McDonald's or like some fast food like that. Taco Bell. Y'all, they got the DoorDash on lock. Let's see. Why am I paying for this? Like, for real. I need to do better. I'm too pretty to be paying for shit myself. I want chicken. Damn, y'all. Everything, their upcharges are like past $5. I want to have broccoli in it so bad, but I'm not paying $5 for broccoli. That's crazy. You go to the store and you buy one broccoli, it's like maybe $1, and you can use that broccoli forever. Y'all, this is my problem. Like, I never could just decide on something, y'all. Like, I'm always back and forth. I don't even know what time I have to be up. Let me end this. All right, you guys. I ordered my food. I said I was about to order Red Lobster, but it is closed. Why would they let me get that far on the app if it was closed? And all the way up until the point where I was about to schedule what time I wanted it to be delivered. Then it said, oh, there's no times. I said, y'all playing with me. So I just ordered from some other place out here. I don't know what the place is, but they got pasta. I just want some pasta. There's some pasta and some vibes. That's it. I need to take a shower and discuss what the next couple vlogs are gonna be about. So the food is damn near here. Look. He's literally right there. So what we're about to do is go downstairs and get my food before somebody hungry ass take it. Look at the hallway. Yes. I'm about to go get this food, and then after I get the food, I'm just about to really edit all my content, y'all. I have so much content, and I just be recording videos, and then I need to take the time to edit it though. Look at this. Yes, y'all, we is on the top floor. Like, when I tell you they put me on the top of the top, I respect it. I don't care, I'll click both of them. See, this one's going down. I'm going on that one. Look at how nice this elevator is. Lord. Let's go to 1. Y'all, so yeah, we about to go get this food. And truly, y'all see, I changed the fit. Like, I'm ready to lay down, y'all. I'm just ready to eat and chill. And really, that's it, y'all. Because it's been a long day. I would say I'm jet lagged. Yeah, I'm jet lagged, y'all. I'm definitely jet lagged because I'm tired, but I'm not tired at the same time. It's kind of weird. We about to be there in 1 second, all right? Even my ears are still popping. All right, let's see where he's at. Y'all, the pool sound like it's popping. Something popping. Oh, the pool's outside, it's closed. You hear it though? It's so loud in here. I love it. It's so pretty in here, y'all. Like, look, I don't even know where I'm at or where I'm going, but like, y'all, it's just lit. Like, You could just really chill. If you want to chill right here, you chill right here. Y'all, I need to go. I think I have to go upstairs though, because he's waiting. There's a lot going on. Can I get through this one? Yeah, I don't know. I'm just following these ladies. Let's see. Where they at? They should be out here. It's so goddamn warm. Okay, purr girl. She look cute.
I love the stage. I open at 9.
Yeah, they is popping out here. I freaking DoorDasher. I think that's her. I'm not sure. Yeah, I'm just truly just trying to get some food. Are you DoorDash? Okay. Thank you. Have a good one. Thank you. I can't even tell y'all what the hell I don't know where I came from. Look at this man got a whole. Where is he going? Y'all, they got a whole. I'm going there tomorrow. I don't care. All right, y'all. Look at the vibe. Look at the vibe. Catch it. Love it. It's so pretty out here. Like, I just absolutely love it. And then look at the pool. The pool is insane, y'all. Like, it goes on. It looks like it goes on forever. Hold on, I'm about to zoom in. It looks like it goes on forever. There's a freaking slide over there. You see it? That little green thing over there. It's a slide. It's closed right now, but I'm gonna be here for a few days, so I'm definitely gonna come check this out. They have a gym right over there. You guys see the freaking treadmill? Yeah. This is a nice hotel. Y'all, look at the vibe. We got palm trees. I love palm trees. They're so cute. And we just really, like, it's just the ambiance, y'all. Like, come on. But yeah, I just wanted to show you guys. I was walking past this door and it opened and I was like, what the heck, what's out here? Let's go see. So that's how we ended up out there. Now we're just gonna go back upstairs to the room and eat because I got my food. Yeah. But yeah, y'all, I got my food. Oh, and we got an elevator. And we're going to the top. What floor am I on? I think I'm on 22. I don't know. He did say I was on the top floor though. Of course, like, what other floor would I be on? The bottom floor? Like a bottom mad hoe? I don't do that. So I'm just saying though, we is on the top floor and that's where we going right now. And I got my food. And I got vibes. And I got cute. Mwah. I want to try to do a cartwheel, y'all. I don't know if it's going to stand up. We're about to try to do a cartwheel because I haven't did a cartwheel in forever. We have to go. I don't even know if I'm on the right floor. I don't know. Like, I'm just doing stuff. Let me check my key. Y'all, I'm on the wrong floor. No. Y'all. I'm on the wrong floor. Yes, sir. I'm going now. So we back on the elevator, and that's my soul. Because sometimes, you know, you just gotta take a little trip. And that's what we're doing right now. We just take a little trip around the block. And I'm going even more up. I'm on level 2. Ooh, you know what? Let me end this right here. I'll get to y'all when I get back in the room. Yeah, I'm gonna get settled in again, you guys, and we're gonna get back to the sign off. And then that's it. All right, y'all, so this is what I ordered. I've never had this before. I guess there's something down here. But it's called North Italia. And I was just really craving some pasta, y'all. I'm not gonna lie. Let's see. I asked them for extra noodles. I doubt they gave me extra noodles. They never want to give you extra shit. Alright, let's see what it's hitting for. That's so sad. Like, off rip, y'all, that is so sad. Like, it looks so dry. I'm like, okay, where is even the chicken at is my question. Hold on. Alright, y'all, we about to take a bite. That's probably some of the worst pasta I've ever had in my life. Since the food's not hitting, we're just gonna take it in, y'all. Put my blanket down. We'll go ahead and throw. Listen, y'all. North Italia. Babes, no Italia. No mas. No Italian. Maybe I'll have a change of mind tomorrow. Oh, is this Step Brothers? Ah! Okay, where I gotta sign off, y'all, so I could like vibe for real. Y'all, first of all, I love Step Brothers. Like, this is a sign that it's on that I need to sign off. Today, it was a long day. It was a long day. I just got bad food, but I had a good time. I'm so happy that I'm here. I'm like kind of overwhelmed. And y'all, look at my view. Look at my freaking view. I'm looking over the city right now, y'all. I was connected to my mic this whole time. Y'all probably couldn't even hear me, y'all. But I'm about to sign off. All right, y'all. It's been too many mishaps. Look, like, I can't even keep the camera straight. It's been too many mishaps. I'm about to sign off. We're going to come back tomorrow. And listen, it's going to be a time, because today was a time. It was just a little bit of like, it was a little draining, because obviously you have to travel and do this and that and this and that. But now, like, we're here, we're settled in, we're good, we're vibing. Tomorrow is the first day for my modeling job. It's going to be tomorrow and then Sunday and Monday. So I'm going to be here for about 3 more days. But we're just going to sign off. We have made it here. Oh my God, it's the best part. 1,000 subscribers, y'all, so stay tuned. This is our 1,000 sub vlogathon. That's what we're gonna call it, the 1,000 sub vlogathon. I guess we could just say vlogathon. It's exciting. I hope you guys are having a good time and enjoying what's going on, y'all. We in Florida. If you've never been down south or to Florida before, I've never personally been to Orlando, so this is very exciting for me. Thank you guys for watching. Stay tuned. We're gonna have another vlogathon coming. This is part 1. And yeah, y'all, we are up from here. 1,000 subscribers, y'all. Hey, we're on vacation. Mwah. Talk to you guys later, okay? Mwah.